Welcome back, everybody. It's a cold April day here in Colorado, but we're gonna warm things up with a delicious, succulent double Wagyu cheeseburger. Oh, but wait, there's more. Stick around to the end of the video. I'm gonna let you know where I'm gonna be on the 2025 Griddle More Tour, West Coast. Look out. Couple videos ago, I brought you my stash from Salt and Sear Craft Beef Company. Check it out. This is 1 pound ground Wagyu beef. Gonna try to do smash burgers. I'm gonna open this up and we'll eyeball this. I don't even know what the consistency of this is with fat to meat ratio, but I think it's gonna work out nonetheless. That's 4 pieces that look pretty even to me. Fashion these into a somewhat round meatball and we should be ready to go. If you missed my video a couple videos ago where I did the Salt and Sear ribeyes, you gotta go back. Oh, those things are amazing. Get a little cheddar ready for later. Cheddar or American or any kind of cheese. Rocking that brand new Blackstone Bronco griddle and smoker combo. Get over to my Let's Give It a Try show. We got videos on that. I'm gonna use that beef tallow again. Picked this up at Sam's Club last year. And you know me, always like to start out with a slick griddle top, but be careful, I'm using my bare hands. You can use heat resistant gloves or tongs. Always high heat for smash burgers. The griddle's been heating up for a few minutes. Let's check it out. Oh my goodness. High heat down with those Wagyu meatballs. Gonna do 2 doubles today. Parchment paper and a shout out to my subscriber from Florida that machined me this beautiful smash burger press last year. Check it out. You can use that mineral salt that came with the Wagyu beef. In for the flip. Down with the cheese. Two beautiful brioche buns. A little bit of butter. Gonna toast these up. That's too much butter. There we go. Gonna put a little bit of water down in the griddle top. Close it, and we'll use that steam to melt the cheese. All right, let's check it out. It's been about 1 minute. Check it out. Gonna go down with those buns. Get a quick toast on those. Oh man, they're gorgeous. Toasted to perfection. A little bit of mayo on the heel. How do you dress your burger? You dress it however you want to. A little bit of romaine. Any kind of lettuce works, but romaine's what we had in the kitchen. Let's stack those patties. Something like that. Let's plate them up. Oh my goodness, that is a delicious looking burger. Woo-hoo-wee. You can do these any way you want to. Tomato is good, but also a rule of thumb for burgers is if you put too many toppings on there, it's impossible to eat. So tomato. I may or may not put tomato on today, but I have to have onion. I'm sure there haven't been many people that have made as many sauteed onions as I have on the Blackstone griddle. There's something nice about having a delicious piece of crunchy raw onion, man. We love it. My wife and I behind the camera just love a nice crunchy slice of raw onion. A little bit of mustard. And of course, I was born in Pittsburgh, the city of champions. So you know I have to have the Heinz ketchup. And I'm a big fan of pickles. My goodness. Pick these Grillo pickles up at Costco. They are spectacular. So if you like pickle, man, put 3 pickles on top of those. And those beautiful golden toasted brioche buns. Oh my goodness. Take a look at that. Allow me to cleanse my palate. Let's give it a try. My goodness, I mentioned this in the ribeye video a couple weeks ago. I can't believe it's only the salt, only the mineral salt. Typically, I'm the kind of guy that's putting garlic and pepper or salt, any kind of barbecue rub on my steaks or on my burgers. It's insane. It's insane. There's so much flavor in that Wagyu. I'm gonna leave the Salt and Sear Craft Beef Company info in the description down below. I have a link that you guys can use. You can buy a whole, I think a half, a quarter, and different meat bundles over there. So pretty darn cool. Here we go, I almost forgot. So 2025, Blackstone and Walmart decided they're gonna do 2 Griddle More tours. I can only be in one place at one time. I'm gonna be on the West Coast tour. So, without any further ado, Saturday, May 10th, these are all at Walmart. They're all Walmart Supercenters, and they're all 11 a.m. local time to 3 p.m. local time. No tickets required. Don't ask about tickets. You don't need them. It's fun. It's free Blackstone hats. We're going to have all the games out there. I'm going to have the percussion. I'm going to have everything. Raul, the man, is with me. We got the trailer rewrapped this year. Stay tuned. It's so much fun. You don't want to miss the Griddle More Tour. So here we go. Saturday, May 10th, Santan, I almost said suntan. Santan Valley, Arizona. That's just a little bit southeast of Queen Creek, where we were last year. Walmart at 1725 West Hunt Highway. The next day on Sunday, May 11th, we're up in Mesa, Arizona. That's at 1606 South Signal Butte Road. Next week, May 17th, we're going to be down in Southern California. Ooh, we are returning to Murrieta. That's up there in the north end of San Diego County. 41200 Murrieta Hot Springs Road. The next day, we're going up closer to Riverside, and we're going to be in Beaumont at 1540 East 2nd Street. That's in Beaumont on the 18th. Following weekend, May 24th. This is 8 consecutive weeks, by the way. May 24th, Fresno. A Fresno return. It's been 5 years, 6 years since I've been in Fresno, and some of the biggest crowds we ever had in the earlier years were in Fresno. So I can't wait. Fresno, come on. Central Valley, California, bring it out to Fresno, 7065 North Ingram Avenue. I can't wait. The next day, May 25th, we're first time ever, Ceres, C-E-R-E-S, so that's a little farther north of Fresno, and that's at 1670 Mitchell Road. The next weekend, May 31st, first time ever, are you kidding me? We're going to Idaho, Meridian, Idaho. Shout out to my buddy Phil and everybody that I know over there in the Meridian area, 795 West Overland Road. The next day, June 1st, Sunday, Ontario, Oregon, across the border, 1775 East Idaho Avenue. The next week, June 7th, we're going to Redmond, Oregon. Never been to Redmond, but I hear Redmond is a cute little town. 300 Northwest Oaktree Lane in Redmond. Next day, Sunday, June 8th, Salem, Oregon. A return to Salem, Oregon. It's been 7 years, I think, since we've been in Salem, and we had a good time there last time. 1940 Turner Road Southeast, 1940 Turner Road Southeast. The following weekend, get ready, because if you're in Washington State, apparently Blackstone and Walmart loves you. Here we go. We are going to be up there in that greater Seattle, Tacoma area. Saturday, June 14th, Yelm, Y-E-L-M, Yelm, Washington. 17100 State Route 507 Southeast. The next day, June 15th, we're going to be in Bonney Lake, Washington. 19205 State Route 410 East, and that is the 15th. The next week, June 21st, we're going over there to the Tri-City areas. It's been a long time again. I think it's been 7 years. We're going back. We're going to be in Pasco, 4820 North Road 68. And the next day, on the Sunday, June 22nd, we're going to be in Kennewick, a return to Kennewick, and it's going to be 2720 South Quillen, Q-U-I-L-L-A-N Street. So Kennewick, right there on the fabulous Columbia River. And the last week of the tour, of my tour, June 28th on a Saturday, Spokane. First time ever. Beautiful Spokane, Washington, 9212 North Colton Street. The following day, the last day, Sunday, June 29th, Spokane Valley. Not to be confused with Spokane Valley, Washington, 15727 East Broadway Avenue. So those are my tour dates, the West Coast tour. Me, Raul, the big trailer, the big show. But there's also another tour as well. That's going to be manned by various members of Griddle Nation. I know Matt, Matt and Halston from 4 for 20. They're going to be doing a lot of those shows, and they're going to have some volunteers from the Griddle crew as well. So check out Blackstone social media for all the details on those. I believe they're hitting Michigan, Wisconsin, maybe Kentucky, and Arkansas. A few of those states kind of in the Midwest or upper Midwest. So thanks for watching, everybody. Until next time, I'll see you on the road. Griddle More Tour. Praise the Lord and pass the double Wagyu smash burgers, cheeseburgers, delicious.